that big bull rally, 2,800 NASDAQ 100 put option. My goodness. Well, what is that? That's this all-time highs right here, up 13 handles again. And basically, it's on sale for a quick trade. $37.84, $20 is a low. We have bids out here at $17.10 because we want to create almost a $2.90 lower low on it as that wholesale market maker, which would also take the range of the contract of the NASDAQ 100, and it's only a short-term trade because everything will have a pullback, and basically it's discounted by $20, and I just got hit at 17.10. I made the low of the day. And at this point in time, it doesn't matter that that lower in bid and ask. Of course, that's going to happen. What is happening is I got a $20 discount. I took out $2,000 on that one contract entry. Yes, I did. And I just did that right here with Brian Plain and the rest of the MMT crew. Yes, there's always risk. The point of it is, if we do get a pullback, and we're going to get, which one? Apple? The what? 620 put. All right, here's that six. All right, cancel that one. Cancel that one, and let's get a little bit lower. We did break higher. I'm going to conclude that NASDAQ 100 put entry. Do what? MMT plane, you're hit at 780. So that is a big markdown on that side of the market. You got to watch this side because he keeps breaking the higher highs. Let's see what he does. We're in the last hour, and that low is coming into play. So you're on the bid. So this is live happening right now. He's breaking them higher highs, 620 of them. So basically, yes, these are very wholesale here, but they're still risk. 780 on the low, that's about as good as you can get. $8 printed over here, 790s printed. All it is a dollar markup rule, entry and exit, how to be wholesale to the risk. Look at all of the discount that I saved on my risk. Yes, you always got risk. Back in here. Here's that live entry done at 1507 by Mr. MMT Brian Plain at that wholesale 1710, buying that $20.74 print. We created that print right here. Look it, we're not saying that the NASDAQ is in a downtrend. No, we're not. We're saying that we're buying $20 wholesale. So when the NASDAQ pulls back intraday, it gives us a chance to exit with a higher profit, being a market maker. And we can always dump it. There's a dollar bid and ask here. Okay, Brian Plain, put it out at 1860 right now. And see if he'll take it. Now, here's a perfect example on how to do an exit. And Brian Plain, this is NASDAQ 100, your entry and exit. So when you do add it to your portfolio, you would want to say that I have to get someone to pay me and other people are following me. Now, Brian Plain could go at 1840 and see what the 1780 is rising on the bid. But see what he's doing? He's controlling his destiny and his profit right there, 1710. He is the low on the day, folks. It doesn't get better than this. And you know what? You too could come here and see it in your free 5-day trial and say, hey, thank you for having a system that could help us manage the type of risk of taking that. See, he just got hit. He made a market. Put the bid out just in case again, and that was making a market, and that's the ka-ching, ka-ching. That's how to buy a NASDAQ 100 put. That's how so there's two prints, our low and our exit. And we did it live here because it's important that people understand how we marked it down. Yeah, we could hold it. We speculate, nothing. We make the market with the public. And so we do that several times, and then maybe we hold a few overnight. NASDAQ comp is overbought, but it was about making a market at a wholesale bid. All right, we got the Apple put working. I'm going to put this one aside. That Apple right here, once again, 635 highs, and we got that wholesale bid. There's that 665, 765. We got sniped in there at 770, I believe, or 780 it was actually. So we're here at 780. We marked it down. So by buying those contracts, if you take the mark down to the SMF market maker wholesale, what? Bid, you can add up those dollars. So if I'm only buying 5 contracts, I just took $3,500 worth of risk, more than that, out of my entry. My dollar cost capital risk, as true as it is, I was able to remove that, but I still have to manage the current bid and ask because I still have risk, even at that wonderful wholesale entry. Now, that's the update, but the real one is understanding how to make a market and how to buy the markdown NASDAQ 100 put. I just threw the Apple kicker in here because it's another great success all day long. Both call sides. Here's that $600 call just ripping up here toward those highs. And the NASDAQ 100 trade. Get on board now while you can.